Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Koga IT. And this video I want to share for you this library in JS. It's our carousel. I think it's interesting library for you this deploy. It's so easy to use. If you is new member learning JavaScript, you don't know how to code this effect, and you also you can use this library is helping you the in the first okay. Let's go. I introduce for you this library, and you search in the Google is our slider JS, and you click in the first link here, and you click in download this. You also can click in GitHub and see the code in this library. This library, I think, is almost use the query library for this. Okay, in the time you waiting for downloading, you should click in the document and see how to use this library. Okay, now I click in installation, and the first includes two CSS files in your HTML. Okay, now you have to include two CSS file in your page you want to display this effect. Okay, in my page I have home page here, and in the hashtag tag I rewrite it for you to see. After download, in my project folder I have this folder. I list of files zip I downloaded here, and now I extract file. Okay, after extract file, this file I have this folder. Okay, now I return my page. Okay, it's all our carousel, and in access I include this our carousel document. Okay, this first link and second link here is our carousel. This access and also our theme depot. You can as this, and next you should continue reading. Include JS. You include the query on carousel .cs input. The query document and all carousel document.js. In the footer, I have Turing here, and the query document.js you find in doc folder in access and vendor, and all carousel document.js and js in this folder. Okay, now what should you continue do? I click in demos in basic. Yeah, therefore you should copy this code HTML in your the part you want display. Okay.